Alright, we got us a Hyundai Elantra. We're doing a no start condition. I'd already come out and inspected the vehicle. Engine spins over, doesn't fire up. I can tap on the throttle, hold it there for about 2 seconds, allow the throttle body itself to open up, air goes in, fires right up. When the vehicle got about 100,000 miles, which this one has about 120 or so, the little IAC motor that's built into these will fail, and they do not move in and out fast enough in order to allow air to go into it without you mechanically opening up the throttle valve. So what we got is replaced a Hitachi, which is what that's OEM, whole throttle body assembly. This can't be rebuilt. I'm sure some people can probably take this off and do something with it, but I'm not going that route. But we are replacing a throttle body assembly for a no start. So when the weather changes, like drastic drops in temperature, the little IAC motor can't keep up with it. So you gotta kind of force the throttle plate open a little bit with your foot, and it will fire up and run. Because once that IAC valve is moved in and out enough for the current temperature condition, it'll start up and run all day long until the next drop or drastic change in temperature. So we got 10 with an extension, a pair of pliers, needle nose pliers, and these two little hose clamps. What I do is I cut off the circulation for coolant to these two hoses, that one right there and that one right there, and that'll allow for less coolant to come flowing out. But take off your air filter housing, there'll be a little hose right here, and then your Phillips or 10, take it off from the throttle body, take it up and out of the way, disconnect your connector ratio, and then take off those two coolant hoses, take off the 410s, replace the gasket, slap it all back together. There's no relearn procedure for this. It's a self-relearning type throttle body system. Some of them, like on Chryslers, you do have to relearn it because you got to relearn the pedal position and the app 1 and app 2 that's built into the throttle body. This one, not so much. So slap it all back together and away she rolls. Cleaning this out will not really do much because the IAC motor is built into it, which is going to be right here. So you're not really going to be able to clean it out to save that thing, but I just grab yourself a Hitachi throttle body and go to town.